the Christian church and the congregation living around has been for centuries the traditional church bells. The normal practice is to ring the bells from 5:30 in the morning up to 7:30 in the evening several times at regular intervals and patterns. Usually church bells weigh from 100 kg to 1,500 kilograms. This involves long and continuous human effort, which is often tiring. In the present context, it is very beneficial to find a means to eliminate human efforts. For that purpose, Madonna Electronics invented the pulsator. The pulsator is electronically so designed as to ring the existing bells in the traditional manner and regularity. Pulsator can be set to operate on daily, weekly, monthly or yearly basis according to the desired manner and time, fully automatic. Pulsator can be operated from any distance by using an ordinary mobile phone under password security. A UPS backup provided ensures continuous operation. In spite of all this, bells can be rung in the traditional manner by pulling the rope bypassing the pulsator. The new invention was blessed and inaugurated by Most Reverend Dr. Francis Kalarakal, Archbishop of Verapalli, on September 8, 2012 at the Inventors Parish Holy Family Church, South Chittoor, Ernakulam, Kerala.
This is my privilege to introduce the pulsator automation church bell ringer before you. I believe that this is a gift of God and we are using it without any complaint. I wish all the success for this endeavors. Thank you.